So let's get started. So we will first download the ISO image file for that. Here I am downloading ISO file, but you can also download VHD if you want to do with Hyper-V. So here we have Windows Server 2019 ISO file, and let's start VirtualBox installation. So name the virtual machine, then choose your desired location. After that, choose the ISO file which we previously downloaded. Now here it is important to proceed with unattended installation, as it will just not give us options on how or which one we want to choose. So I have a decent enough system, so I guess I will go with 6 GB of RAM. And for the processor, let's go with 4, or let's just give it 6 too. It's okay. And for network, we would choose the bridge adapter instead of NAT. And for rest of the settings, they are just good, so we will keep them as it is. And let's just power up our VM now. This may take some time as it's booting up for the first time. So now let's click on next, then install now. So here we have 4 options, the standard one and the data center one. So we would need the standard one, and for that we have 2 options, the normal one and the desktop environment one. We would go with the desktop environment as it is easier one. Yeah, so you can read the terms and just accept those. For this, as it is installation for the first time, we would go with custom and just go next. We don't need to do partitions as such, as this is not needed. And yes, this would take a lot of time, so in that I would just give the difference between the normal one and the desktop environment one. The normal will only give you access to the PowerShell, that is the command line of Windows, and this will have a whole environment. So let's just fast forward this process because it might take a while. So now the Windows would restart, or we can just manually restart if we want, but I would leave it to do it on its own. So now we have to write in our password. So let's keep the password SWS 2019, that is 2019, that is Windows Server 2019, and repeat it. So we got to the lock screen of the Windows. Now we have to go to input, keyboard, and send the Control Alt Delete to open it. Or we can just go host Alt Delete for this. That's equivalent, but tell what, you can do whatever you want. So this is needed to open this uh, lock of Windows. Now we would type in our password, that was WS2019, and yeah, that's pretty much it. It should open our Windows Server graphical interface, and that was all it on how to install Windows Server 2019. Hope this helps, and yeah, there are a couple of pop-ups which will be open up when we first boot. So first is network, we will go with yes, and currently we're not gonna set up the server, so we can skip and close it. And yeah, that's it for the video. Thanks.